guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Yesterday was so I was walking, I was using one eye to see what's going on, you know. So how are you guys doing? What's up? Oh yeah, fake account enters. Good morning everyone. Can you guys hear me? Okay, let me check from my other phone, okay? You check from my other phone. Okay, it's audible enough. So what's up? How many of you enjoyed yesterday? Yesterday was too funny. Oh my God, Jesus! My people, have you guys seen lies? No, I don't see lie before. Hey. I have never laughed so hard. My sister, Yeye Fika, can see shame. Fairest Hall, good morning. I have never seen shame like that before. Jesus Christ, you guys have seen what I have been telling you people, that girl is a liar. But majority of you just think, oh, maybe because I don't like her, I don't like her ways, you know. That girl is a born liar. Atwari. Hey, did you guys see what happened? She went and bring what's it called? The ambassadorial document that she was giving. Oh, Urom, you can't see my face. Yes, but if you want to see my face, you know that Okbaika Uki, the Uki, the Zagazaga. Yeah, she has my picture. Yeah, you guys should plagiarize. I don't know why she has not shown you people. You guys should plagiarize her. She will show you people my picture, okay? Okbaika, yeah, the Uki, and she has my picture. Yeah, she has my picture. She has my children's picture too. Yeah. Good morning, Toan. Good morning, Egede. Good morning, Lucy Becky. Good morning. Yeah, some fake account, the names, eh? So, my sister, my brother, yeah, fake account. Good morning, Kinebo Godin. Good morning. I'm just going to be here shortly. Good morning, everyone. Hey, did you guys see lies? She brought the ambassadorial paper. You know, the day she was showing, she was touching the seal. She wanted people to see the seal. That seal is just NBA seal from Nigeria, my people. That seal is just from Nigeria. When she saw that everybody had screenshotted, she said, hey, it don't bust it up. But she came out with Netherlands certificate on how to use wheelchair. You know, abroad, everything you want to do, even if you have to wash toilet safe in any company, you have to be trained. She went to bring the one she was using to do wheelchair. You guys remember when she was a Deventer, when she was saying she did work with old people? She was just doing volunteer. It was to volunteer. Oh. Good morning. Oh, sorry, there's somebody. Nadia here. Good morning. Yeah, nice. Good morning, pretty. It was just, I hope you guys can hear me. She went to bring 2018 March certificate. When she saw that she has been caught, the Dutch people caught her. She went to bring the fridge certificate she used in buying fridge. Is that the document for the house? Fairest of all, not be lie. She need rehabilitation. But I'm very happy that she disgraced herself before even her people were so ashamed yesterday. You know, before they are always mad all over the place. Ratty comment. Oamagi Yagbe comment, you know, all the places that all the pages and everywhere that screenshot that nonsense, that disgraceful as she did yesterday. They could not go there to comment. Government in what is shameful there? You see where put your head in the money. She won't belong. She wants to rub shoulder. Yes, so my darling, the third one she brought last night was now the fridge document. She was showing people. Then look at the fridge. Something megawatts. Then megawatt. I said, Jesus. I'm so happy. You know, people love people who deceive them, who lie to them. It was so shameful, pretty, I'm telling you. Kai, from ambassadorial document of Queensley Healthcare, imagine somebody from there, they want almost said, hey, they tell you your fake account. They were so ashamed yesterday. They've never seen that kind of disgrace. Then you guys, you know the highlights for me. You guys want me to show you the highlight of it for? Okay, let me go to where is AB Paris? AB Paris is always okay. Let me go to AB Paris. AB Paris always have AB Paris. Let me go to her page. AB Paris, that fake account there. Oh, yeah, funny, babe. Jesus. Sorry, guys. There's one particular one I'm looking for. My God. My people, are you? Now, no go beg Lolo. May Lolo, I forgive her. Jesus. Lolo can bewa. Hey, Kai. Why all this shame and disgrace? Why? She won't feel say she don't arrive for Lolo. Hey Lolo, can you me ya siegboa? Oh, sorry, I'm looking for. There's an highlight of the day for me yesterday. I'm telling you that one. It is a gie. I beg, you guys should just give me like 1 minute. Let me quickly look for one. There's one account, AB Paris, on your wagagia. We AB Paris. Okay, I've seen the account. Okay. Who sent us about? Oh, man. Look at. Oh, wait. Oh, please, guys, just let me look for this thing, okay? Only ogwa you get yari mewo. Okay. Where she said when it got to election time, Mama Nora could not vote her. Only you get yari everywhere. Because Monica is borrowing you money. Okay, wait.
That's why Mama Nora, when you do me like that, just so much thing, you pay me. These are the only people.
See the highlight for me yesterday.
I show you. And okay, you are making money like me. Why are you letting this man fool you? You don't even fair believe me. I need to follow up and help them. Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful clothes. Mama Nora said no. And this is Mama Nora when they use.
But people, that was the highlight of it for me. Only for them to they share all beautiful parts. Mama Nora said no. So now that one they beat you. Say she no vote for you for election. Say she no say you be the beautiful. Oh my God! You see that? You see?
I don't need to borrow that money.
You see that particular place, eh?
Ordinary beautiful.
Ordinary.
Mama Nora said no.
That was the highlight for me. Ordinary beautiful pass. Papa. Now that one they beat you. Echo better. That you see that particular place, I laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed. My people were like, what is happening? Why are you laughing? I said, you guys will not understand what I'm listening to again. You see that particular part there, that was the highlight of it for me yesterday. Okay, ordinary beautiful part.
I had them.
Only
for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful parts. Mama Nora said no.
You see this particular place, it's too funny. Oh my God! Good morning, yeah, all day she Miss Ree. I'll be saying for Ree, Miss Ree Odogu Odeshi. Good morning, madam. She just wanted to slightly let us know she bought. I am telling you, my sister Enoge Popogiri. Enoge Popogiri. You know, Mama Nora said she was the one helping them to control their monetization. Ekeni yenata we 2,000 euro in my account. We may getting a finish ave Nora. My people, if they give melon to rats, may keep. I they do, I they keep and be the finisher. Then she do them all. That part's too funny.
I help them. Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful parts. Mama Nora said no. But this is Mama Nora when they used to go to me to say, Mama, borrow me money. I help them say.
Oh, good morning, Ferresto. Oh no, Ferresto. Good morning. I'm sorry. Good morning. Annabelle Yusti, Moline. Good morning, Annabelle Yusti. I like this your name, Annabelle Yusti. Good morning. Ferresto. Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry, please. Ferresto, are you people not laughing? This thing not funny. You see this particular place? I was laughing. And when Lolo now analyzed it again, who get it the way may give it if it's me. Look at it. It's too funny, I beg. Only for them to say,
letting this man fool you. You don't even fair believe me. I need to follow up. I help them. Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful parts. Mama Nora said no.
Oh my God, that part, you see that part for me. Ordinary for them to they share all beautiful part. Wait, who tell you say you fine? They deceive you say you fine?
Letting this man fool you. You don't even fair believe me. I need to follow up. I help
Good morning, Annabelle. Good morning. Thank you so much.
Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful parts. Mama Nora said no. Then this is Mama Nora when they used to go to me to say.
So that election really pain am. Ordinary for them to choose a beautiful pass. Mama Nora said no. So she's so pained that Mama Nora did not vote for her, that she's beautiful. Can you imagine? Imagine everybody. The day they did the election, they said almost everybody that called that they voted for her. Only one person that just said if she was to vote, she would have voted for the other woman in Ireland. Now she still dey cry till today. I never see this one. My people, let's listen to it one more time before we move on. It's too funny. You see that place? I laugh. I still watch her before I go bed. I don't laugh, tired. I say, sure.
Letting this man fool you. You don't even fair believe me. I need to follow up. I help them. Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful parts.
Mama Nora said no.
This is Mama Nora.
You see this particular part, I can put it on replay. Now yesterday I know say now I did tell you good morning, Juliet. Good morning. She's depressed and bipolar. So yeah, I told you she's having mental problems, serious one. And Brucey finish or destroy Egbe, and the quest to live a false life. Okay, only for them to share. Come on, oh beautiful past. Who tell you say you beautiful? You ugly. You are eledewe. You know they look yourself.
Letting this man fool you. You don't even fair believe me. I need to follow up. I
help them.
Only for them to be sharing
ordinary beautiful past. Mama Nora said no.
And this is Mama Nora when they used to come to me to say, Mama, borrow me money. I heard they say, I don't need to borrow that money, but when I get money, I go help una. That best.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. My people, this one not funny. Eh? Look at how she lied that those ones always come to borrow from her until Mama Nora came out. Enoge was trying to press her. Although we know what is happening on our joint work over here. So that they will not say you understand? Because say we don't want to pay back the 3 million they paid. My sister, who buy house? See, they had to bring documents. They had to bring documents. Me never see this kind of thing before. Everybody started tagging Mama Nora. Borrow. You not trust Facebook now. Now that one can't come out. Now that one be one place. So, you know, say this Facebook cannot sabi do am like that. Just is one account AB Paris. I'm still on that page now. Now that where we and Mama Nora for come out. Now that particular place I be one place. Okay, hey, look at it. I hope it's this.
You know, I don't know how to pretend. I cannot do anything that I'll say. Maybe people use Mama Nora. When you can lead to this talk like this afternoon, say Mama Nora. When you get to one analyze again. Let me explain, please. Only can say okay, no problem. You can't bring 500 pounds.
She nearly
I say bring 500 pounds for us.
I did tell you the tagging was buzz.
The money when they expect so the money no enter
your
account.
The 3 million now do.
The money enter your account. Mo call Nigeria wash. How you do the money?
Only to say beautiful pass.
The money you dey see am, say be see am.
Nicole Berry, good morning. I miss you too.
Oh, if the money not come enter your account now, you come be like say automatically I call you money like that. I say, oh God, you want to both side be one rule. Oh God, you can't say my star. That they really love her. They give star the support. You can't say okay, my star. The money they enter your account. I say okay, what we ought to make you wait. If the money when you give me, when you be the thing say Facebook pay you, the money no come enter your account again. Now another person your account it go. And my star got the enter your account. If the star complete, you go just collect your money. You can say okay, no problem. No problem. After 2 months.
My people.
No problem. After 2 months, let the money can currently call me. You can say, star, when people they give me.
Okay. All right.
I say, wow, Mama, thank you. Now God will bless you. You don't collect your money you give me that day. He say, yes. How much you call remain? Say, 100. Me bring back come for me. I say, no, Mama, what keep Nico Kobe, or I got Polone, okay, do Riegube. You can say, okay. I call it leave for like that. Okay, why do you get not again? Mama Nora cry to dance borrow me money. Make out to both here, but where they go borrow me money? And I can't tell no again now. Now what did they want to talk today? Then the year economics don't look one of those all ya.
My people, Popo Girina saw the audio just to show. You know, she came out saying, Mama Nora, Popo Yeke the ball, come cry. This is a no-kid. This is Mama Nora that used to come to me to borrow money. You guys saw the way she did. She said it yesterday. She said that. She did that thing for two purposes. She wanted people to know that Mama Nora is the borrow. Mama Nora is not loyal to her, so that her people can go and be bullying Mama Nora. And she did it again in order to invite Ewi to come and join her bully Ukinebo. Why we or get us to be so normally Ewi will come and be bullying Ukinebo. Meanwhile Ukinebo marry or can marry or get there. Ukinebo marry or marry Ewi or can marry Ewi. So that she was trying to invite because she says the thing the matter don't over. Or if Kevani Bana be lie. una tell my people, una don say solicitor wey follow you, your lawyer wey follow you buy your house, e no get your email. You guys did not even hear o. When the woman said, the time she was not saying, we bought this as cash. The woman said, you bought this as cash? You bought it cash? Then later the woman said, okay, if you say it's your house, then it's your house. That was where the woman said, if that was where that statement came. Before she said, if it's your house, they said, if you say it's your house, then it's your house. Yes. That was what the woman said. The woman said, if the fellow junkie chicken wings, that the chicken wings Ubewe, his fellow junkie, that one, they did not arrange the call very well. My sister, somebody who you say you bought the house or don't have your email address, the person, before the person started even talking to you, didn't even ask you any security question, any code. Na people yeke wey no sabi her body, na him I blame pass, because truth be told, people yeke fine pass. Yes, na they don't know their worth now. You are talking about people yeke, what of a own nonsense ukinebo no wa ya mwegbe. Imagine somebody that roll with Felicia Okpoma that cannot spell her name, Prasform, Precious Meg, no, that does not even know the no Biena. Just look at the people no red GPC can. Then somebody like Okinebo Yamwegbe, you are talking about Kuku Yeke. Are they on Kuku? Not be Kuku Yeke, not even fear operator. Is it not Kuku Yeke that not even fear operator Facebook? Are they only? Not be somebody like Okinebo go put herself for the mist. Una don't see where solicitor way say house for person, not get person email address. Monica Jaja Owan. The shame and disgrace yesterday was immeasurable. I have never seen complete, instant disgrace, instant shame. Lies. She was asking the lady, did we buy the house or we did not buy? That one said, did you buy the house cash? Because if we not buy house cash, we are in a big one that work. Oh my God, that one alone was the highlight for me. Mama Nora, only for them to choose, come on, beautiful pass. Mama Nora say no. Oh, hey Joe, the thing pain away where you. I cannot repeat. Hey Jimmy, the shame and disgrace too much yesterday. People where they follow, I will take being one know the way I have it. You know now, which kind shame be this one? Which kind shame be this one? Maybe me bonate. No. The shame and disgrace was too much. I was like, it was too funny. It was just too funny. Yes.
See when they shop on that money, go give on that money. I have them. Only for them to be sharing ordinary beautiful pass. Mama Nora said no. This is Mama Nora when
ordinary beautiful pass. Mama Nora said no. To be honest, that's why Ray is not. She's ugly now. Weird, don't you see her? Why me? I'm okay. I don't go to lele. That one a person. She's too ugly. I beg. It's too ugly. Ordinary for them to they share beautiful part. Mama Nora say no. Mama Nora, why you say no now? Mama Nora, why you say no now? It was too funny yesterday. Kai, the presenter said, although everybody that analyzed it, oh boy. Kai, they're not pitying him. Basbos. Now, so they just say they deal with her. And she just did lie. Sorry, I wanted to hear if it was audible enough, you know. Only for them to the show. So that's in Pina. That part of the thing. So the thing Pina where election. Kai, the election, they talk about Kenojeri. Just to mention name. That one no even vote now. She no even vote. Only if I was to vote, I would have voted for B&B. Now see they beat her. Nah, daughter. Amber be the solicitor yesterday. No, Amber never get that British accent like that. No, I'm not sure. Amber never get that British accent like that. Nah, Igbo. Omo na Igbo. Na in they make am bruise they go gaga. Na in fellow junkie. I sure. That one self confused. Say, you bought the ass cash? Oh my God. This thing to make me laugh yesterday. You election where Obewe Ajepako organize. Without a leg for ground like Okbiale. The leg be like yam and beans. The one that made me laugh again was after she has been caught, she went to bring fresh paper. A fresh paper give a boa. She was showing them fresh paper. Name kilowatt, name megawatt. The useless, the AWOB director who were mess up, they should not what say. Una what someone who direct ya, know what fact boy very day. Okay. No. From ambassadorial paper to wheelchair paper busted to solicitor busted to like they even know why as this god there Ukinebogele fire no dey. We know why you do Ifa, why you like me. Actually, they don't have Ifa. The day she was showing that ambassador, this is the seal. If you don't have this seal, I met him capture your water. If you don't have this seal, seal, Jesus. People where they follow her. I mean, they always tell her, like I always tell Lolo, I say people where they follow that girl. People where they wash her, then were here at therapy because she has messed up with your brain. Do you know that when she was showing that paper, people that were watching her are stark illiterates that follow her, that were watching her, they didn't even know that it was, they never even saw it until the other side started screenshot. They never saw it. They were believing her. Even while she was showing that, they were writing, congratulations, Ekobete, we know you cannot lie. When she was showing that Queensley organic, you guys go and look at the comments. When she was showing that Queensley, when she announced that they've caught her, she said, oh, I was feeling sleepy. My people, when she was doing that video 2 nights ago, did you see any sign of somebody that was feeling sleepy there? Did you guys see any sign of someone that was feeling sleepy? Yes, if you just one lie, to correct one lie, you need like 200 lies. I say love. No, this is what I saw now. You guys know I'm not doing much on this case because, like I keep saying, Ukinebo was warned not to go near her. If he's a neutral person or my personal people, my personal person will be say I love. I will bolo her. Ugbemeni megbin every 2020 or it will be ×2. But if na people wish they fair one say why se keniyan jeve na veni wa yin gie na ri yan wa yin gie. Which one be girl you go say the which one say make I talk na? Which one say make I talk? The shame was too much yesterday. I said when she was showing that paper that night, that ambassador, they were writing, congratulations, we know you cannot lie. I know, yes, this seal. One even said, this seal, I know this seal. If you don't have this seal in your house, if you don't have this seal in your house document, you just know that you have not bought the house. And when they still did not see it. To tell you, I keep saying it that by the time, I always tell Lolo, I think the people that are seriously watching this game, by the time, there is no time they will still not go for therapy, for mental evaluation. Because we mess up with Eririnyangbe. She has messed up so much with their brain. It could better lies. I saw one account one time. Atu are unending lies. I be endless lies. Just only yesterday, don't know what. Only yesterday she brought out four paper, no 3 papers. Then later, when she called solicitor, she said, "Do you guys know the part that also made me laugh in that solicitor's part was, I think there is a mistake. I don't have any document. My people are asking me to bring the paper. Please, can you send me? No, a house you bought since is it not April? She said she bought it. It's not the solicitor one. I be the owner. The seller wants to send you the documents. Hey, God, oh. The house she bought since almost 4 months now, going 4 months. It's now the solicitor wants to send that paper. Are you guys? Can you see that? I bought this house cash. I bought the car. I saw an update. I think it was Paris Love that shared it, or Kinebo, that the villa is even. I told the people that she rented that villa. I told you that villa is a rental. Who they even drive villa safe? Now one of the product of Range Rover wey not to sell like that is Sport, Evoque. Who they drive villa? So if anybody go to the rental garage to go rent villa, you can rent villa for 2 years. Who they drive villa? Who they use villa? Guys, hope there's no actual really traits comment here. You guys know I detest them with everything I mean. So if you just see their comment, just put red there. Let me block them off. Yeah, she's looking for strategy to close the saga. No, the lies. No, presenters, they are not. No. They are not ready to close this lie. They are not ready. God. Lies. No, this saga, this particular one, no, Yovara. I want to come play audio. When she now saw that it has over, she said, okay, Debo, you make me do this. I'm going to play all your audio. Where the audio? She started playing the audio. No audio where you want to play, we go past 2080. So, you know, they shake anybody again. All of them are mugu.com. Exactly. They were all looking at the seal. I said they were even commenting, congratulations for the ambassador. Congratulations. When she was showing that, when she was talking that day, did you guys see any sleep, any 1 minute sleep or 1-2 second sleep in her eyes? Nothing of social. Did you guys see any sleep? Okay, yes, she played one audio this morning. In the audio, no, you not get anything we want to do. She's just looking for everything to cover. She's looking for everything to cover this saga. I said it is that people watching and believing her lies need me. I tell you, they didn't need the therapy because she has messed up so much with their brain. Too much lies upon lies. That was why. Yeah, people were tapping from her grace. They didn't even see that it was a Queensley ambassadorial deal she was showing them. She just wants people to look her big. No, life is a process. You take it gradually. You can be a tenant for 10 years, then before you know you are a landlord. Okay, Kinebo was talking about her life, Because now Kinebo carry a matter, go give her now. Kinebo said that she said she had Elinosi for good morning. Just watch. It's a normal conversation, Abi. Just watch how she's going to turn it. She can't tell me, say maybe that one just said, I'm just fed up. I don't know what he said. The husband, the marital issue. Don't worry. Now she can't say she fed up. She do this. Just normal conversation. Just look at how she's going to manipulate it. Una notice. Made of it. Una say nothing. They the audio. There's nothing where she want play. Ema ya no ekpe audio ya ege dagbe ya re na. Ni wa ge dagbon re. I saw somebody say even a luggage yam e yamala ni no wa. So just see her life, see the people's life. She's going to manipulate it. I'm happy Ukinebo is not also backing down. That one they use updates. One of that update they finish her. She just want me everybody just mumu like Ewi. You guys saw what Ewi did now. You don't want everybody just loyal. That was why she was trying to involve Ewi so that Ewi will come out and fight. Ewi saga no dey make sense again because una too we don't know say na you help am for na Ewi try to cover DNA but DNA ni Ewi. You came out to ask a woman, married woman, who not a DNA. Who are you? No matter how have you people actually ever shown the people any video, any picture where a family and Igbo and Bruce Igbo family went to do marriage? At least if you are not around now, your family, your husband's family and your family will meet together and they will pay the bride price. If you guys are not in Nigeria, maybe anytime you go to Nigeria, you cannot do it. Have you people seen that picture from her? It was only the Agbada marriage and white party that she did. Is that one marriage? Ekenana mwigo yo mwe picture ni lada. That's why no lele kia no sale kia ya you video because mwigo yo no remorse, no pity like no. Una. Ewi is a shame, yes now. But Mama Nora said, Igbinayero Dao. Did I not say it yesterday morning before you were even said she borrowed their money? Okay, they were saying something else, so she had to bring it. She wanted people to know that those ones are beggars. And that one say, I not borrow you. Now when you were handling my account, you told me that there was 2,000 euro coming in. At the end of the day, you say you did not see the money again. Can you imagine? 2,000 euro ni work bezin. I hope Mama Nora has taken that account away from her. Actually, puppies, if you guys are here, just listen, don't comment. You guys know I hate to I hardly hate someone, but actually and our people, we may hate here. So if you guys comment on my page, who are those? My people, did you guys listen to what Bubu Yeke said yesterday? That Tuari said, oh, I'm seeing a 2,000 in the account. Then when he now got to the time to pay, she said, no, I didn't see the money again. Let them go and ask Naija Wash. How can the money that was in that you saw that comes to your account not be in Naija Wash's account? That one did not even see the 2,000. Only for her to now say the money from Stars has covered the 500 euro. A 2,000 euro. Una don't say rat when they give a goosey or mel or way go say, me keep am. The rat go do justice to Ram now. The day we signed the final document was the day every document was handed to us, including water and electricity. My sister, she first came out with, they gave us this document is the one for the front, and the document for the back, for the garden. Una don't see for the, hey. Everything lies. Ambrose, where was Obewe in all this? Ambrose Ajala. Ambrose will say, no, be me, now you go to say na cash, so go use your mouth to explain. Now maybe later. I feel just help you raise update or later here. If you can preach. Just imagine person where they preach Bible in wife now the architect of lies. Everything about her is lies upon lies. That's why she's going mental because too much lies and she has a short memory. It be like say at last they not see where the money enter. Yes, they not see the money. That's why she's having mental problem, because she always lies. She lies and she forgets. She lies, she forgets. So when before she will say, "Ew, eriyata bi eriyata ove miamiane, eriyata bi eriyata ove miamiane, ove do tore then add the way eriyata." Did you see the audio Lolo played for her some weeks ago? Words of her mouth. I was never ever divorced. Another one, I remarry. The other one, it was because of the 33,000 debt, so that was why they had to divorce. Words of her mouth. Her husband go farm working, not this. That one just for free. Oh, I feel you lay you do. Now don't say if it be like chicken wings. He go say no be me say me you say cash oh. Now because you say cash, now make me follow you talk am. So go like my baby will say figure it out yourself, mom. Margaret will say, yeah, go sort yourself out. She too lie. Hi. That's why she said, that's why this Okinebo matter. Just they look and say, she don't fail use and say, this are mouth, she sabi use and lie. Amnesia, yes. Should they forget body? Hi. Look at, okay, she was saying something else. How she had to bring Mama Nora into the matter. Come on for just more offer and pass. So that thing really paid her well. Eh? So Mama Nora has these. She has the presenters that she likes or she loves. So if that one, then ya comment ye page or him and not like. Mama begege igbina ye devo dawo. Ne? That woman brain don't. The brain is gone. Too much lies. The thing come make and get amnesia. Eh? She said, Mama, do you guys hear something? Mama Nora said she did not see the money. When it was not time for her to do the payout to Mama Nora, she said, oh, I can't see the 2,000 again. Money still they disappear for her account. Money still they disappear for her account. Big fights they come. Big fight. Now we they try to oppress that one. Or we because they would, we they fear to return the audio 3 million. We they fear to return we. She was talking about somebody else. So she was talking about Kinebo. Piam, she did that so that people will go. If Mama Nora and Ewi refuse to join her to saga of Kinebo, people will now start saying, Mama Nora, upon the money we are to we borrow, you borrow. And people started calling her borrow yesterday. Not knowing that she's even the one who stole their money. Actually, stole Pupu Yeke's money, 2,000, I'm making the 2,000 la. Me, I never see this thing before. I am seeing 2,000 naira in your account. Then before I now say I didn't see it again. And without the money being investigated, we know here. Nigeria, that everything is investigated. Everything is investigated. Eh? Then when she not say, okay, because any year, and I said, okay, to consult that one, to quickly manipulate that one, to change Pupu Yeke's bridge. And I say, oh, you have stars. I'm seeing some money in your stars. Okay. I will deduct my money from your stars. Then she now say, oh, Pupu Yeke said she told that, yes, your money has completed. Though. You even have a balance. How much? Say 100. Can you now 100 euro a balance? Where you get 2,000 a balance away? I hope you have removed your account. Or if not, they are going to mess up with your account. And you are back counting in your wabo because you are my lawyer. The PPH see her followers. She has those tackily traits. All those aduro. Then the people like Agnes, not that phone while CIA. The husband brought her to Germany, dumped her, and returned back to Italy. Also, that one is always mad all over. Or wazu here. Yeah, she has people like that. She has people like Egugu the typewriter, Akpavioi, the likes of Felicia Prasform. You know, those illiterates. She still has a couple of illiterates going with her. Couple of illiterates in now go out with her. I mean, I don't really have issue here. But not somebody no be more legal school, not just for Nigeria, a Weibo. Una know how difficult to school for abroad now. Just one course where you want to do like this, eh? There is a TB assignment, test, assignment. You will know. That's why sometimes some people, before you don't say they don't drop, they not finish. School for abroad too hard. Assignment. As they do one, they give you another one. You never submit one, they give you short essay, short story, test, quiz, exam, assignment, see, cumulative test, everything. Then after all that, after that exposure, you're constantly saying now somebody like that. Now what do you define how you see now? Lies, so too be. Chai, that yesterday, even people will be they try to people will go they say abi she do abi she not do Mama Utete, all those ones that they don't really attend, they don't really want to just say the way it is to her. Mama Utete did one video of almost 3 hours yesterday. I don't think she has ever spent that long. The woman can show, see Leo, she no fear damn again. Otherwise, 3 documents just for one house. She said, now so they take give us. Una don't say they give person Dutch document for England, English speaking country. Mami Bulala, good morning. Have you seen that? Where she told Osama say that you have 100 euro remaining. Good morning, Miss Baker. Congratulations on your marriage. Where she told Bukuyeke that it's 100 euro that she has as a balance. One may say 1,000 euro, 2,000 euro. The 2,000 we ni kata we he made 2,000. We go nyagi la. And that one did not even know. That one was still happy. Yo, my people, please, oh, please, education is important. Oh, it's not a joke. Oh. At least, even if mama you come even from left to a right, okay. Even from left to right. It's not just about government pays children. No. At least why be full who can be it, who can be but I always say it. Go back to school if you have to. Have some education. Even if you woman there or no young now, whatever, at least you or maybe you're from left to right. How can somebody tell you I see 2,000 and now he's not saying I didn't see 2,000? People did not even say, okay, let's see, is there any investigation? Is there anything you have done? Can you send the slip? Facebook is sending the slip again. Can I see the account balance? Can I see this? She didn't even know. In the village of the blind, one high man is made the king. You cannot overemphasize that, Miss Baker. It is. Imagine 2,000. I did see 2,000. Then when it was, I said, I don't see the 2,000 again. And that one did not quickly pick that. Hey, Ojire. She didn't even know until if she had not even said that Bukuyeke always come to borrow from her yesterday. Maybe that one would have also not said anything about it. She said that just to belittle that one that all do I borrow boy. When me go me with her but nana borrow boy. Good morning, body yenogi. Good morning. just to belittle that one, just to make that one feel less of herself, just to make her illiterate following her to feel that one is boro. If what's her name? If Osaumese or whatever is her name has not come out to quickly clear herself yesterday, EJL, they tell their being meeting correct me because update would have been going upon her. Idiotic will always borrow her money. Idiotic will always, because they were already beating her that she's not calling that one Mommy Otiko. They were already beating that one that why is she not calling her Mommy Otiko? Why are you not calling her mommy? Before yesterday, I think that one now said, hey, we now told her, okay, be calling her my lady. Now said Lady Monica. If Uyeke had not come out to quickly defended herself that yesterday, meeting, that one even say, because from the explanation of that one yesterday, she's even the one owing them who stole Uyeke to 2,000 euro. That's where she was mad at Uyeke, telling her, stop buying clothes for your children. Stop buying money when they are still young now. Children that were not even up to 2 then. Those children, they don't reach 1 year safe. Actually, the children were not even up to a year then. How old those Uyeke children? How old are they? She was telling Uyeke to stop buying clothes for her children because ihoni no rareni oma ono ni amihoni. Why would she tell you to stop buying clothes for your children? The children are just young. They are infants, as a matter of fact. Why would she tell you to stop buying clothes for them? If you don't dress them up beautifully, if you don't dress them up well now, when are you going to do it? You get money, you get kindergarten, you get more money from the government for them, you get money from Facebook. What are you doing with it? You want to build 4 flats in Nigeria, then your kids are looking like a piece of whatever, I don't know. So that is it. That's the way it is. She's even the one owing Uyeke 2,000 euro. But any man when I have Facebook here. Uyeke, I hope she's no longer the one operating your account because even when she told you I'm seeing 2,000, just know say now almost 4,000. Even the 2,000, that's how greedy. You guys know Lolo keeps saying that she's very greedy. You know, when they gave Lolo 21,000 that time, what was she telling Lolo? If you don't want to use it, give me now. If you don't want to use it, give me now. Now, if I not give you, government personally give me. They're not saying I give you. There was a man, they also collected 5,000 from Deventer. The man even started to give it to them. All the kids, when that one see the life which she and Ambrose did, if they want to collect something from me, they'll be doing she and Ambrose. And that's how she was able to penetrate Ukinebo. The only painful part that Ukinebo felt so relaxed with her that she now had to start telling her personal life, personal history. That's the only part. And see her do it to other people. Let me quickly say this to Asaboro. If you are here or Asaboro people, you can just quickly tell her this message. Asaboro, please, your friendship with Ukinebo should be taken out of Facebook. Your friendship with her, because Atuari is looking for a way to destroy that friendship you have with Ukinebo. That everything you say, if you don't say it well, if you don't explain into to what you are saying, she will say you are talking about Ukinebo. Because sometimes you guys really don't care. You guys really don't care until when it's repeated, the person will not start seeing reason to it. Okay, it may be like this. Asaboro, please take your friendship with Ukinebo out of Facebook. Whatever, I'm not interested. Take it out of Facebook, please. Because you see, they are trying to make it look like it was Asaboro that caused the issue. No. It was here. Our women, especially me, this particular one, So, if you are doing your topic, you are doing, please don't even do anything related to Okinebo. It might not be Okinebo you are talking to, but don't, if you have to even see anything that people might, that are, you know, actually already fish brain, might wants to think, manipulate that you are talking to Okinebo, make sure you explain in total, please. Take Okinebo's friendship with you out of Facebook. Please. You want to do update, you want to do your program, whatever, you have right to do anything you want to do on your page. But if you see that the thing might be manipulated to I hear you were saying it's can you people sure she's not referred, because I saw where she put one of your updates in one of the Fanamotian show she did yesterday. Please, Asabro, take your friendship with Okinebo out of Facebook. Yeah. You guys can be doing your friendship indoors. Or even if you want to do it outside, make sure it's not relating to her personal life or her husband, please. Because that's what she's trying to make. She will try to, anything you do now, Saburo, anything you write on your page, she will want to relate it as if you are talking to Okinebo. No. Please. When she saw that Okinebo, 47 minutes, almost the whole 24 hours of Yari life, you know, there. She came with cry, you know, when she saw that they've caught her with the fake papers she brought, she now said, walk Bella rough. Walk Bella. She started crying. Mama Nora, you did not vote for me when they were looking for the most beautiful Esiebo without makeup. The most beautiful lady without makeup. Yeah. She was crying. Mama Nora, that used to borrow money. You guys saw the way she did it. You see the car, you see how she did it do her own. Mama Nora, they borrow. That one come and say, which time could they borrow money? Your mom, now you they control account. They don't pay. Okay, if they pay, you take your own for inside. At the end of the day, am I made the 2,000? So, all they do Good morning, glorious Victoria. I'm doing fine. Good morning. So that's why I just said I should quickly come and let you guys know this one, that you guys see, una don't see the way she take the operate now. So, well, no wa tell it, una will just know. Una wa tell it, when I wa no deni. So if she say anything, you guys should know she's a liar, she's a dead liar, she's a pathological liar, a chronic liar. Oh, lying again. What I mean is the blood no flow with vein or mix up with lies in it. She just wanted everybody she wanted to do everything to make everybody dislike Okinebo, to make, when she said that I have audio, where she would not the thing and one better thing did the audio, Okinebo can confide one thing to Ramon. Make she play the audio, na normal discussion. Normal discussion was to manipulate a normal discussion. Normal discussion. Okay, you said Okinebo was vulnerable, you recorded that. She was looking for everything to make people hate Okinebo. That was why she started crying. The emotional blackmail. So the people following her will be like, oh, you see the way they were writing. Hey, you take stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. You know they work again. Okinebo fire down. Fire for fire. If she tell you bad, give her boss. This, you see, me, if now only this one will not fit do for me, that, you know, this was the reason why I came out in 2020. If she tell anybody where she talk to, if una no fit talk to her back. But so far, even when I was busy indoors, I left Facebook. I was see sometime, yeah, because I have somebody who always follow back to back. Yes, anybody where she try one mess up, that they fire am here. I say yes, no na make kwado. Anybody no good one, why la de why mu big bong. Yes, liathon. Yes, she supposed carry Guinness World Record of lie. Somebody who can lie. It shall not be even for 4 days. So somebody who can lie from Monday, from the 1st of January to 31st of December. every day one no every me say lies. Una don see where person dey buy house wey no get parking lot. But my car you imagine if they are going anya ya park a filling station. I park a petrol station do you where you love your vioni. You guys don't know that bush part of your vioni ni ya fe kola ni. Irani where be one no di moto. No do wa who ya park you doni. Ukinebo now has told us that car, you know me I did talk about from time saying a renter. Or me be moto ni mawade. I think some of the people, some of Lolo's fans bought a Range Rover and they sent the receipt and everything, the documents that were given to them. Even if you want to even buy a second-hand motor, maybe car with person don't drive, you want to buy it. Everything have a VAB number. Abi? Abi in your countries, you have a VAB number. Everything have a VAB number. Let alone not when you want the cash. Do you know the fakest part of Ayoyo? How many of you remember when she went to pick that car last year? She now told them to put flour, is it flour? Those flour and those ribbon. To tell you, we know the fake is say. When she also wanted to, this government has, did you people don't see ribbon and balloon that she put that day to cut the that is how fake she is. So that kind of a person, when you are going with her, people will be like, people always say, when you are eating with the devil, you use a long spoon. But I will always say, don't even eat with the devil, because at times it will overpower you, collect that long spoon from you. When you are eating with the devil, you eat with a long spoon. When you are eating, no, my own, I don't even want to eat with the devil, because now you are me. Like somebody called on Lolo's show and was telling her that we know the way we take the follower. No, you cannot know the way you take the follower, because now what you they hear over and over. Before you know, subconsciously you start behaving like that. You start acting like that. So he said that you don't even want to listen to her lies. The day when she feel say she do better topic, you listen to her. When you are eating with the devil, you eat with a long spoon. No, me. I always tell people, I always tell my family, no, don't eat with the devil with a long spoon. Don't even eat with the devil at all. Monamose Lolo. Good morning. Monamose $1, yeah. Don't even eat with the devil at all, let alone using long spoon. So my people, let me leave. That's all I wanted to say. I'm happy for Kinebo that Kinebo swear if you no de. You guys now know that Omado one a receipt error. One where they pray. You are just calling the owner July 21st to come and give you the document that you don't have the document. You think there's a mistake somewhere. Yes, Namunamuse. She's just asking for the document. She was even telling the woman, I think there is a mistake somewhere. When that one said, okay, I'll send the contract to you. She said, no, you are talking about contract. When she quickly covered that one up, so because she know that I have a dozo boy anyway, a contract in here, a contract house, no, a rent, no, which is not a bad thing now. What be rent? What be you the pay put? But trying to now force it on people. I'm sure there's a particular set of people she wants to rub shoulders with, like me say I've done by no. Plantain way strong or they not wo our yawe. So my people, that's what I quickly say. Let me tell you people that you guys, you know how she operates now, you know her lies. So when she's coming with any lie, Mona no say, oh no. Even though most of you already know she's a liar, but some people will still be convinced. I saw somebody writing on Dollar's page like yesterday that so she really did not buy the house. Are you for real? Okay, maybe maybe another 4-5 years ago might still be having doubts. So really she didn't buy the house. Oh mama, we maybe na ya do even if you want rent house for abroad, you don't know what thing they go through. But say maybe you go bring one guarantor. May you go bring somebody who will sign for you. May you go, they want to read your credit score. They want to do this. And Bruce get credit score. I boosting my credit ratings. Good morning, Amonamose. If all those Idari, all those Libya erosion, sorry, respect to the good people there. Yeah, I'm not talking to the people going out with her. You guys know. I'm not talking to the good people. So thank you, people. That's all what I wanted you guys to know. That lies upon lies upon lies. Okay, thank you everyone. Till I come your way again. Love you all. Bye. Thank you for coming. Much love.